This is Haldia Water in Haldia, and it's a very old facility which the government of West Bengal had made under the Public Health Engineering Department about 34 years back. They are all flagship projects of the government. And believe me, India is going to face huge amount of stress in the water areas, and already large parts of it. In fact, Bengal, we are lucky. We have enough water. Only we felt that we must move on to a transformation process and quickly, rapidly, and that was the change. So I think Mr. Mahesh Gupta mentioned very clearly that ERP is a mindset. ERP brings in discipline. And without the mindset change, without the culture change, you can't implement ERP. And that is what our exercise. I belong to ex-Tata Steel. So we have implemented Tata Steel in its journey, area. And one of the most important factors is, I've realized it, planning. So when we took over in November 2019, we had, before handover, we were not giving drawings of the plant. Limited access to records, limited baseline data, norms of consumption, input output norms not well known to us. Condition assessment of plant and machinery was not well taken care of. Data on inventory and tagging of materials in stores was not available to us. Everything is ununionized contractual manpower. A lot of, we had to face huge amount of problems initially. After takeover 2019, there's a journey. Initially, you have to set the plant running and at least ensure the shift patterns are managed well. Setting up SOPs, setting up input and output norms, benchmarking of plant and equipment, the throughput, stock accounting system, Mr. Mahesh Gupta mentioned, there was no stock accounting system, MIS for production, chemical, power, manpower. Setting up attendance system, very, very lax system. Vendor database was not there, and equipment health monitoring and record of mean time between failures. Plant failure was very high, it's an old plant. So we are grappling with multiple challenges at different levels, both in the IR side, the plant machinery side, operations side, discipline side, virtually every problem. So when we embarked on a journey and on a dialogue with Mr. Mahesh Gupta and his entire team of young managers and young dynamic people around, we discussed and debated for quite some time, about 3 to 4 months time, as to how do we make these steps. HO is in Calcutta. Then HO and the Haldia tally system and billing software leading to, the consolidation was a challenge. Online management system, not there, timely management of data. These are all, common problems which all of us face. Manual tracking of input material, ordering, bulk orders, and we have huge amount of chemicals which are required, alums, etc. Large amount of items have to be purchased. Small items like bearings, the couplings, starter motors, everything else. Manual indent, purchase order, works order. The discipline was lacking. Discipline among the vendors also not lacking, and also among the officials who are a part of the old legacy issues. Then delayed and lack of reconciliation with vendors. So when we went for this dialogue, I think I must compliment the team. They educated us. I'm not an IT person. We are from the plant and the operation side. What are the advantages? Well, I think Mr. Mahesh, of course, highlighted from our point of view, we felt that this SAP can be scalable and business one addresses an MSME's requirements and aspirations. Cost-effective tool which we felt is good enough to start the process, and we could get into a model of where we could scale up. We felt that there was scalable. Transparency and reliability of operations. Transparency is important because we are privy to all the 3 C's. Single trial balance available, and there is no need for consolidation. And timely closure of accounts and period closure. Systems help because we have to do billing to all the industries and municipalities. Efficiency, timeliness, accuracy is most important for us. Business plan in SAP can be integrated in terms of its performance monitoring system and actual tracking of monitoring. I think I can go on and on, but some of the important points which I felt is something important for us to actually take back home. What happens when you don't have a good implementation partner is that you don't know where to go. But fortunately, we had a good, able partner who was educating us, enlightening us, taking us, holding us our hand to manage this entire plan, entire journey. Building a need for ERP in the initial stages, providing strategic insights of cost, benefit, and implementation plan. Then the kicking off of an implementation plan, including supporting and hand-holding during this implementation phase.